Welcome to another episode of Thoughtful Tuesdays, where ancient wisdom meets modern corporate endeavors. Today, we witness Trisha, Mayank, Smitha, and Ahalya as they navigate a significant hurdle in their office. Trisha and Mayank are seated at the head of the table. The rest of the team is seated around and sensing the gravity of the situation.
All right, team. We've just received news that our major client project has hit a significant roadblock. The client wants a complete revision of the deliverables within a week.
I know this is a lot to process. We need to think strategically and quickly. Trisha and I have an important business trip to attend, and we want you all to lead this resolution. We trust in your abilities.
Let's tackle this head on. We can divide the work and come up with innovative solutions.
I have some ideas. Smitha, let's connect to discuss this.
Every idea is valuable, Ahalya. Let's hear them. This is your chance to shine.
The team quickly shifts into the brainstorming mode, writing ideas on the whiteboard and discussing strategies. On one side, Ahalya contributes to the burst of innovative ideas, while Smitha's enthusiasm shines brightly.
Let's split into sub-teams now. I can work on the financial revisions. Ahalya, you focus on the presentation and creative aspects. We can collaborate and combine our strengths.
How about incorporating some new design elements that the client hasn't seen before? It could be a risk, but it might really impress them.
That's the spirit. Calculated risks can lead to great rewards.
With a plan in place, the team begins working on their respective tasks, communicating and collaborating effectively. As the deadline approaches, the team presents their solutions to Trisha and Mayank, hoping their hard work pays off.
Team, can you walk me and Mayank through the revisions on the project?
We have streamlined the budget and proposed some cost-effective solutions to meet the client's new requirements.
Excellent. What about the creative changes, Ahalya?
We've incorporated some innovative design ideas that add a fresh twist and align perfectly with the client's requirements.
Impressive work, everyone. You have all done an incredible job. You have all demonstrated exceptional leadership and teamwork. This project is back on track. Kudos to your efforts.
This is a testament to the power of empowerment and collaboration. This reminds me of the Panchatantra story, The Doves and the Hunter, where a group of doves used their collective strength and intelligence to escape the hunter's trap. Just like those doves, our team here used their combined talents and trust in one another to overcome a significant challenge.
To
many more successes together.
Just like those doves, the team used their combined talents and trust in each other to overcome a significant challenge. And so, through collaboration and empowerment, the team not only overcame the challenge but grew stronger and more united. So if you like the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until next time on Thoughtful Tuesdays, where ancient wisdom meets modern endeavors.